Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by seeing certain topics, phrases, or keywords on X, the good news is you can completely hide them from your feed and even stop notifications about them in just a few quick steps. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to mute words on the X app so you can scroll in peace. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone or tablet. Once you're on your home feed, look to the top left or top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open up your account menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all of X's customization and control options. Under Settings, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section lets you manage everything related to your account's safety, visibility, and the types of things you see on your feed. From here, look for and select Muted and Block. This is where X keeps the tools for managing accounts, words, and phrases you don't want to interact with. Now, tap Muted Words. If this is your first time using it, your list will be empty. To mute something new, tap the Add icon, which usually looks like a plus sign. Type in the word or phrase you want to mute. You can add as many as you like, one at a time. Choose whether you want to mute it from your home timeline, notifications, or both. Here's the key step: toggle off notifications for these muted words. This means not only will you stop seeing them in your feed, but you also won't get notified when someone uses them. Once you've set everything the way you want, don't forget to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully muted unwanted words and silenced their notifications on X. From now on, your feed will be cleaner, more enjoyable, and more relevant to you. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow these steps anytime you want to adjust your muted list.